The WeBoost team and myself just parked at the Snake River KOA just outside Jackson Hole. We parked the RV, we have our Jeep. Now we're gonna set up a little lifestyle area where we can hang out and have fun. Once you arrive on site, you wanna dazzle it up, you wanna relax, you wanna have a little bit of fun. So what we're doing is we're taking 2 hammocks, some fishing line, and 6 Lucy lights, and we're gonna make a really fun little hangout place. I usually stuff my hammock away so that the carabiners are on the outside at the end. So all you have to do is kind of take this and unravel it like a parachute. When it's nice and tight like that, you'll have a nice secure hammock. So now for the true test. To hang these Lucy lights, we're gonna be a little bit innovative. These are really fun little camp lights that are actually solar powered. You could buy them to change different colors. See all these different colors here? And change power. So while you're out during the day, hiking, having fun, you could throw these outside. They'll charge back at your campsite at night. You could throw these puppies on and have some really fun little lights. We also have some 4-pound fishing line, some duct tape, and of course the Lucy lights. Now, because we don't have a good way to hang these outside, we're gonna take this fishing line and we're gonna thread it through this little hook that's on top of the Lucy light. And eventually we're gonna take a piece of tape and we're just gonna tape the fishing line right underneath that little hook there. So they'll stay in place. After a little blood, sweat, and tears, less blood and less tears, maybe just a little sweat, we got our hammocks up, Lucy lights hung, and now we could just relax and have fun. Get the party started. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the YouTube channel and you'll get all these fun little tutorial videos right at your hands.